Hello and welcome to Win-Win Signals. Today we are going to talk about how to use economic calendar in binary options trading. Economic calendar is one of the best techniques to use in the fundamental analysis. I know we have already talked about technical indicators, but today we are going to talk about fundamental analysis, how to use the economic calendar. Before we know how to use it, we must know what is economic calendar. Economic calendar is nothing but a calendar of events happening across the world. These events can be any news, any announcement, change in unemployment rate, or lot many other events happening across the world. To understand it more, let's go to the website investing.com. This is the website which I use for looking at the economic calendar, but there are a lot many other websites which people use, which traders use. You can Google it and find any website which looks more promising to you, but this is the website which I use most of the times for economic calendar. So I go into news and click on economic calendar, and here I'll see the events happening across the world today. So these are the times which is happening, at which these events are happening. This is the currency which is going to get affected with this event. This is the importance of the event, how important the event is. The more important the event is, like if you see three bulls here, so three bulls is going to affect the currency more than what a one bull important event will. So this is the name of the event, and these are the actual values. This is the forecasted value, and this is previous values. So if you see here, this chart is for this economic calendar is for today, and uh, the events you don't see the actual values for these events. The reason being, these are still to happen, and these have already happened, so that's why you are seeing the actual values. Now if you see, the forecasted value for this event is 3.6%. The previous value was 8.7%, and the actual value came out to be 6.9%. So for 6.9% is greater than the forecasted value. That's why this is in green, and the affected value is 0. So if you click on this event, it will give you the actual forecast and previous values, and also the description. Do read this description whenever you are looking into any event. What is this event? The event is the new industrial new orders, measures the change in the total value of Spanish manufacturers' new purchase orders. Higher reading indicates activity increased by Spanish manufacturers. So, a higher than expected reading should be taken as a positive or bullish for the euro currency, while a lower than expected reading should be taken as a negative or bearish for the euro currency. So, since this is a positive, it should be taken as a bullish, bullish or positive for the euro currency. So since this is a one bull, it's not that important, but whenever you guys are trading, make sure you are looking at economic calendar and also the technical indicators, and try not to make any call or put option in your binary option trades while these trades are happening, because that can immediately affect the price of the trading asset. So some people use it while these events are happening, and some use while these are not happening. It's all up to you how comfortable you get it with it. But let's take an example uh, of of a euro currency. You see three bulls here, and this is for this economic calendar is for yesterday. Euro 3 bulls at 5 o'clock, or yeah, okay, this is 5 o'clock. Let's see the time. Now this time is in I think it's a Pacific time. Let's go to GMT time zone, Monrovia. Okay, and Now let's see what was the time in Monrovia at that time. It's 9 o'clock on Tuesday, June 17th, right? So 9 o'clock, Tuesday, June 17th, euro value was red, that is lower than expected. Lower than expected means fall in the price of euro. So if you take any chart for euro currency against US dollar, maybe let's see some charts. Like I always use netdania.com. Go to charts. So we'll see how this economic calendar or an economic event can affect the price of trading asset. Um, this website is a little slow as it is a Java page. Hold on, give me some time. I hope you guys are enjoying all my sessions, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment on our posts on winwinsignals.com, and we'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. It seems it got stuck at this point. Let me reload. Hold on. Wow. Okay. Click on the new window, netdania.com, and then click on charts. And if you go here, the Java app is loading and the chart will come up. Just detach that chart so that you guys have a better look at what the chart is showing. It's basically a candlestick chart. Go to view and detach chart. It will open a new chart, and let's take a 5-minute chart. Since this is June 18th, let's go back to June 17th where that event happened. This is June 17th, right? Yeah, so remember we saw in economic calendar the time we set was for GMT Monrovia. Let's set the same time here in our charts. Go to settings, time zone, and select Monrovia. There you go. That's okay. And this is June 17th at 9 o'clock. If you see 9 o'clock here, June 17th, in the next half an hour, the value of this trading asset euro versus US dollar drops down to this level 1.3569, right? So this is what I was trying to tell you. The moment the news came in, which was 9 o'clock GMT, the value of euro, this was negative. That's why euro versus US dollar drops down. If it would have been US dollar and the price would have been in the red, I mean the actual value would have been in red, this chart would have gone up. Why? Because US dollar, it's euro over US dollars. That's why. Okay. I hope this is making sense, and my suggestion would be to use the economic calendar along with technical indicators always, because there can be times when there can be instances when the economic calendar might be giving you a bullish market, but the technical indicators are not. So always look into both the technical indicators as well as the economic calendar, and if both are giving you the bullish or bearish market, then only uh, make a call or put option in your binary option trades. Otherwise, if you don't want to use the fundamental analysis or the economic calendar, just try to use technical indicators, but make sure you are not putting your trades, you're not trading at the time when any event is happening. Okay, I hope you're enjoying these sessions, and like always, feel free to comment on my blogs, on the posts on winwinsignals.com. You can always go to the website winwinsignals.com, and we have lot many trading materials which you can use, and also we provide much better signals. We have a pretty high performance rate of above 70%. Feel free to join us. These signals are free of cost, and people are really making money at this time. I had a trader who made $19,200 last month. So don't miss a chance. Go to winwinsignals.com. Here are all the various tutorials for how to use various binary option strategies in binary options trading, and here are all the trading signals which are free of cost, 4 type of signals, and their performances can be seen under performance section. And if you see, they have a pretty high performance win rate. And if you see this one, this is 70.5% in the month of June. In the month of May, it was 60.6, which is a really high percentage. All right. So I hope you're enjoying my videos, and wish you all the best in binary options trading. Hope you make a lot of money. All right. Thanks. Bye.